Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here. Welcome to another Golden Ticket Assembly and Shout Out Assembly. As you can see, it's Friday the 22nd of May and it's another beautiful sunny day. Today we've got lots and lots of shout outs again to all of you children who've been posting loads and loads on Tapestry. It's fantastic to see the amount of work that is going on. As well as that, these amazing Golden Ticket winners as well. Can I just say, please keep posting those really smiley faces. You'll see all the way through this. Everyone is just smiling, they're laughing. It just looks amazing. And actually, for myself, for all the teachers, for everyone who sees those, it just really cheers us up. So thank you, everyone. Keep up the really good work. We're going to start off in nursery with some shout outs this morning. And you will see we've got Willow, Charlotte, Lily, Emily, Harley, Matilda, Caitlin, Elizabeth, Georgia and Ava, all working furiously at home and really hard. So independent. There are so many children who are trying to get their independence and improve their independence. And all of these children have been working so hard. Caitlin, some amazing cakes there with your brother. It looks really lovely. I keep talking about getting on with our siblings. Lots and lots of posts with lots of smiling brothers and sisters, which is lovely to see. The golden ticket goes to Esme. You'll see Esme. Yes, well done, honey, you superstar. Golden ticket winging its way to you. It's in the post. You will get that today. The postman should deliver that today, hopefully. So fingers crossed. Look out for that. Mr. Allen's written the envelope, posted it off, and that should be with you today in the post. So look out for it. Fantastic. They're just really working so hard. And Mr. Wright was so impressed with everything, your independence and how hard you are working home. Well done, Esme, you little superstar. Look out for this. It's well deserved. Well done. In reception, you'll see, look, Turtle class. Wow, again, look at Turtle class. We've got Anna Marie, we've got Penny, we've got Rayleigh and Anita, we've got Bartos, Jack, Daisy, Teddy, Lily, Noah and Sophie. All working so hard and doing your reading, doing your writing. You're working really hard, doing a bit of cooking. It's just fantastic to see. Please keep it up. Keep posting on Tapestry. It's lovely to see that happening every single day. So well done. Thank you, mums and dads, as well, for keeping that up. But the golden ticket for Total Class goes to, you'll see, Bartos. There he is. Look at him. Amazing piece of writing. Just absolutely brilliant. It is so neat, so drawn up. You little superstar. And a lovely drawing as well there. Really well deserved, Bartos. Every single day posting something on Tapestry. Working so hard. Look out for this. This is coming in the post to you. You should get it today. So the postman should be coming along today to give that to you today. So look out for it. Huge congratulations. Well done and thank you, Mum, for keep posting on Tapestry. It's brilliant. In the next lesson, sharp class. Here we go. Look at these stars. We've got Logan, we've got Woody, we've got Emily, we've got Eliza, Ben, Freddie, Casey May, Orson, Ava and Olivia. Again, all working, getting outside as well, doing the exercise, making various models as well. Logan up there making those. Lots and lots of writing and lots of maths as well. So fantastic work in sharp class. And I know Miss Hall is so impressed with how much is appearing on Tapestry. So thank you again, mums and dads. Absolutely brilliant. But the golden ticket this week goes to, you will see, it's Ben! Well done, Ben, you little superstar. What an amazing brio track. I love it. I just want to come around and play. That is fantastic. It looks so intricate with all the crossways and everything else, the level crossings. It looks brilliant. It must have taken you hours, Ben. But it's just not only that, it's just all of your work that you're posting on there, your writing, your maths, your reading. Fantastic. I know Miss Hall is so impressed. So the postman will be getting this to you today. Look out for it in the post, Ben. You little superstar. Keep it up, buddy. Well deserved. We're moving on to year one. Here we go, year one. Look at these. Miss Ruffles, we've got Cece, we've got Leland, we've got Oliver, we've got Omo, Jordan, Sky, Rosie, Luca, Levi, amazing Kelly, Tyler, Ruby and Lilith. Tyler, you'll see there keeping his social distancing from those swans. Really good idea that, because they can be quite vicious. But actually, Levi, I just want a piece of that cake. It looks amazing. But again, as I mentioned earlier on, everyone really smiling, whatever you're doing. Lots and lots of real smiles there. Do your writing, your maths. Washing the car there, Rosie. Well done. Mine could do with a wash, so when we see each other again, you can come and help and wash that as well. So, we've got Miss Ruffles' golden ticket, though. It goes to, this week, you'll see, it's Muntaha! You little superstar, Muntaha. Brilliant. Posting every single day, working so hard. Here you are with a beautiful piece of writing. Your handwriting, you're joining up, your spelling, finger spaces, full stops, capital letters are amazing. So well done. Really well deserved. Look out for this golden ticket. The postman should be bringing it today. So look out for it today, Montar. Huge congratulations. Well done, hun. Keep up all the really, really good work. So impressed. And a lovely smiley face as well there. Thank you, thank you. Moving on, we've got Miss Begum's class. Look at these superstars. We've got Ebony, we've got Mia, we've got Casper, Lee, Rion, Benita, Esma, Olivia, Rosie, Perla, Mia May, and Jake. Double thumbs up, Ebony. That looks delicious. I'm with you on that. But again, look at everyone. Smiling, working hard, really, really concentrating. Amazing, amazing year one. So, so good. Esma, getting out some exercise, getting out there, looking lovely in the sunshine. I keep talking about getting out in the sunshine, enjoying it. So, well done, guys. You are working so, so hard and really making it difficult for teachers to choose the golden ticket. But obviously, Miss Begum's golden ticket this week goes to Ramin! Yes, Ramin, you superstar. Well done, buddy. Getting a bit of fresh air, getting a bit of exercise, maybe playing a bit of hide and seek there. Lovely smiling face there, but Ramin, huge amount of work that you are putting on Tapestry every single day. So thank you, thank you. I know Miss Begum's so impressed with you. Really well deserved. This golden ticket is coming to you today. The postman should deliver it today, so look out for it in the post. You absolute superstar. So really, really well done, Ramin. Keep up the amazing work. Moving on to year two now. Let's see, we've got Eva, Jakisha, Mahia, Mia, Lexi, Milana Kay, Joseph and Eric. Miss Hawkins is so impressed. You will see just masses of work. Lexi there, the writing that's going on throughout. Joseph as well. The maths that you are doing. It is phenomenal. Miss Hawkins was so impressed with how much work is going on with those year twos. So thank you, everyone. And a fantastic bit of skittles there and here. And I don't know whether you got a stripe there, but it looks like it's heading that way. So brilliant. Getting some exercise as well and getting outside. But for Miss Hawkins, golden ticket goes to Pandora! You superstar. Miss Hawkins, blown away by all the work, the creativity and everything that you are doing. She is so impressed, Pandora. Fantastic, really, really well deserved. And I love your little video montage with Pandora's box and your little story that you read. And with the golden dragonfly that flies off in the end. It was beautiful. So thank you so much for that. I really, really did enjoy that. So brilliant, and so really, really well done. Well deserved. Look out. Hopefully the postman will bring this to you today. So look out for it in the post, hun. Really well done. Very, very impressive. Keep up all the amazing work. Okay. Moving on, finally to Mrs. Cook's class. Here we go. Look at these stars. We've got Natasha, we've got Abe, we've got Daniel, we've got Marshall, Diego, Beren, Tilly, Cleo, Thea, and then we've got just Aaliyah there and Ruby, all working so, so hard. Lots and lots of smiles as well. And I see Beren, look at Beren, learning to play the piano. Be lovely to hear that, Beren. Okay, looks really fantastic. But lots of smiling faces, lots of really, really hard work from everyone in Mrs. Cook's class, which makes it really difficult for Mrs. Cook to choose a golden ticket. But actually, the golden ticket this week goes to Ruby! You little superstar, Ruby. Nice big smiley face. What time is it, Ruby? It's golden ticket time! I had to get that one in there. Golden ticket time, just for you, Ruby. You absolute superstar. This should be coming with the postman today, so look out for it in the post today. You absolute superstar. I'm really, really chuffed. And lovely, lovely smiling faces. Just so much work going on there. Mrs. Cook was so, so impressed with you. So thank you, everyone. Finally, it just leaves me to say, it's the final message for today. Obviously, it's half term next week, so we break up today. Today is half term. Next week, have a relax. As you can see, relax, enjoy the weather, read a book. There's no expectation for children to be working. It is the holidays. We will be having a holiday. Still stay safe and stay well. And obviously, the next Shout Out Golden Ticket Assembly won't be until Friday the 5th of June. So there's no assembly next Friday. It is the holidays, so school is closed for that week. Similarly, children, just get out, enjoy the weather, stay safe, stay well, and until a fortnight's time, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye, everyone.